Hello aspirants, I'm Dr. Mehboob, MD of Ophthalmology from AIIMS, New Delhi. And today, this video is dedicated for those students who are actually in search for a perfect schedule to prepare for the INI-CET PG November 2025, right? So before we start, I must tell you that if you have your own plan that is tailored to your level of preparation and you think that it's good, please stick to your own plan because that is best. But if you are wondering, if you are searching for a right and perfect plan for INI-CET preparation, day by day, every details will be discussed in this video. So let's start the video for today, right? Now you see, we will divide the whole of the schedule into the three labels. And what is that three labels is the label 1 will be foundation study and the core notes, the notes you have and the basic things that you need to know, and it will be from day 1 to day 45, right? The second label of preparation will be intense revision plus previous year questions and grand tests. That will be from day 46 to day 75, right? And the third label, this third label will be having final revision plus polishing of what you have read and boost your confidence with mental preparation, and that is from day 76 to day 90. This will be your 90-day perfect plan, perfect schedule for INI-CET preparation. Okay, let's dissect every label day by day. We have a daily routine also, so don't miss the video. Label 1, from day 1 to day 45. Yes, 50% of the time you are devoting to this label 1, where you are going to have a foundation study, basic study with the notes and the videos what you have. What is the goal of the label 1? What is the goal of the label 1? The goal of the label 1 will be finish all 19 subjects once. You have to at least finish all the 19 subjects once in 50% of the time that you have. How? See, the notes, the PYQs and the multiple choice question, these all things will be covered in label 1. How you are going to cover? I will be giving you the daily routine for covering all these things, and you will find it very surprising that you are going to cover it. This is the subject category and this is the subject. Subject category, we have divided the whole medical science into the 4 categories. Basic science, which includes the anatomy, biochemistry and physiology. Short subjects, which have 6 subjects. Derma, psychiatry, anesthesia, radio, ortho and FMT. Medium subjects will have patho, pharma, micro, ophtha and ENT. And the long subjects we have medicine, pedia, surgery, obs-gynae and social medicine. Now, it's very important to understand that per day, how you are going to spend the day to finish all these things. Time slots for the subjects. In level 1 of preparation, you need to devote almost 45 plus minus 2 days for level 1 of preparation. How? Let's see. See, for the long subjects, which includes total 5 subjects, right? Total 5 subjects you have long subjects. Medicine, pedia, surgery, gynae and social medicine. And you are going to devote 4 days each subject. Almost 20 days will have long subjects covered, right? Secondly, the medium subjects will have a 5. Total of the 5 subjects are there in the medium subjects, right? How? Patho, pharma, micro, eye, ENT. You are going to devote 2.5 days, 2.5 days for each subject. That means total of 12.5 days you are covering. Basic sciences, anatomy, physio, biochem, 2 days each will have 6 days. And the short subject, total of the short subjects are there. So you are going to cover the 3 subjects in 4 days. You divide it accordingly. You should cover 3 subjects in 4 days, that means total 8 days will be there. So in total, you will be having 45 plus minus 2 days to cover your level 1 preparation. Level 1 preparation, right? Level 1 preparation will be covered in around 45 plus minus 2 days. Now you are wondering how to devote a daily time and what should be my preference and what time I have to give. Let's see. In the level 1 of preparation, you should give minimum 8 to 9 hours of study per day. Minimum 8 to 9 hours of study per day. Now let's divide this 8 to 9 hours into the daily sections. How you are going to devote? Now for the notes and videos, choose one subject, long, short, medium, basic, whatever. Choose one subject. Devote 4 to 5 hours per day for your notes and videos that you have. Be it any institute video, whatever you have, you read 4 to 5 hours of the notes and videos, right? Now MCQ of the same topic, you have to make the MCQ of the same topic 2 hours per day. Along with that, you have to bookmark your sections. Previous year questions, especially the last five years only, you have to prepare. You have to make the previous year questions of the last 5 years. Don't exceed the 5 years. Okay, per day you have to devote 1 hour of the time to the previous year questions. Now you have a tables, you have the flashcards, you have the something, many things you have. So in total, you devote 1 hour to these flashcards and the tables. And image-based revision is very important. 1 hour you have to devote. Why I'm talking about the image-based revision? Because visual perception lasts longer than auditory and the normal perceptions, right? Along with that, always bookmark the MCQ revisiting during revision. Bookmark your MCQ, whatever you are making here, bookmark them, which you want to revise again in your level 2 preparation, right? So this is important to understand. You got it? Now, level 2 preparation will start from day 46 to day 75. Almost 30 days you are devoting to the level 2 preparation, where you are going to have intensive revision and test series. What is the purpose? What is the goal of this level 2 preparation? The goal of this level 2 preparation is revise the entire syllabus once again along with the grand test. आप सारे materials को एक बार intensely revise करोगे and then you have to give the grand test also. How to do that? Let's see. You have to almost 35.5 days you have to devote, right? Now this is a table showing that what time you have to give to each subject. Like long subjects you have 2.5 days each, total of 12.5 days. In the medium subjects you will give 1.5 days each subject, total of 7.5 days. Basic sciences you will give 1.5 days each subject, total of 4.5 days. And similarly, the short subjects you have to give 1 day each subject, total of 6 days. This is the level 2 preparation where you are going to do intensive revision. Okay. Now, what is this daily target? The daily target should be like 9 to 10 hours of study per day. Almost you have to do like this. Okay. Now you have entered into a very rapidly revision wala phase. Okay, how you are going to give the time? The subject revision, whatever subject you are doing, subject revision per day should be around 5 to 6 hours, and that is, I mean to say, notes, videos, whatever you are seeing, 5 to 6 hours per day you have to devote. Along with that, whatever the bookmark MCQ, what I have told you that during level 1 preparation, you have to bookmark the MCQ which you want to revise in the next level. So bookmark questions you have to devote 1 hour of time per day, irrespective of whatever you are doing. But you have to give 1 hour of the same subject what you are going to revise. previous year question, last 5 years only. That's very important. And I must tell you, previous year question, 100 previous year question for 2 hours you have to devote, irrespective of the subject. Suppose you are reading anatomy and you have to make the previous year questions. So you may not have 100 questions of anatomy for that day. So revise, do it like 100 questions. Whatever subjects you are getting, do it. Don't think about this, and I am revising anatomy, so I will revise only PYQ of anatomy. No, irrespective of this subject, you have to revise 100 PYQ for 2 hours, right? Similarly, I'm always saying that image-based MCQ, image-based question, image-based revision is perfect for study because this lasts long. The visual perception lasts long. That's why image-based MCQ, 50 MCQ you have to do daily in around 1.5 hours. Yes, 1.5 hours. You have to go fast. 1.5 hours में 50 questions करने हैं. And that is how you are going to crack INI-CET. Okay? Now, coming to this. Every 5th day, give grand test. And that is a very important part coming. That every 5th day, you have to give the grand test. Total of the 6 tests you have to give. Almost around 6 to 7 tests you have to give. That is very important. Every 5th day. Now, see, level 3 preparation, day 76 to day 90, and this is called the final boosting. What is the goal or what is the purpose of this level 3 preparation? The goal and the purpose of this level 3 preparation is high yield revision and fast recall. You have to do high yield revision. You have to recall everything very fastly because this is the final 15 days, which is going to shape you, which is going to polish you, whatever you have revised the entire 75 days, or you can say entire year. Now, mental preparation is very important, and boosting the confidence is also very important in the last 15 days because that will increase your rank from this to this. That's why boost confidence, mental preparation, strong banna hai, so that you have a final chance. Now, see, what is the daily target here? Last 15 days, yeah, you have to devote maximum of the time, right? Last 15 days, maximum time. So 10 to 12 hours, leave 12 to 14 hours also. And what is this? Items, quick revision of the whole subjects. Every day you devote 5 to 6 hours. Bookmark MCQ, again 1 hour per day. PYQ of the last 5 years plus image-based questions. Now 100 MCQ you have to do, 100 to 150. And this time, devote more time, 3 to 4 hours. Irrespective of the subject, because previous year question is a very important aspects to crack INI-CET exam. That's why you have to give 3 to 4 hours of MCQ hours to the MCQ previous years, right? And the volatile topic, which you think that it is very volatile, it can come, I may forget this, the tables, the image and the one-liners every day before going to the bed. Every day before going to the bed, see 1 hour before going to the bed. Volatile topics you have to remember. Every day before going to the bed, you have to read all these things. That is how you are going to crack INI-CET, right? Coming to this last 15 days. Last 15 days, aspirants, the last 15 days is very important, and that's why you have to focus on what you have to focus on. See, you have to focus on the short subjects. Why? That is, the short subjects are very high yield subjects. Secondly, what you have to focus on? Biochem pharma, because they are very volatile and they are very high mark gainer, right? What you have to focus? Must know clinical topics like from medicine, surgery, ops, gynae and other subjects with tables and images. All the, like in medicine, you have emergency medicines. They will ask for the emergency medicine. So go for it. Tables, images that you have kept separately. Last 15 days is for them only. So never miss that. So this is how you are going to do your 90 days preparations to reach your goal, to get your dream branch of INI-CET exam. So all the best for you. Thank you.